Let me show you all motions and gestures available on Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, and then in here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find additional settings. Then we can go to gesture shortcuts, and we can, for example, use the digital assistant shortcut, which is just a power button shortcut, so you can press and hold the power button to activate the Gemini or Google Assistant. We have a screenshot options as well, so we have the volume down and power button combination in order to take a full screenshot, but you can also slide with 3 fingers down on the screen to capture a full screenshot. Partial screenshot, where we can press and hold with 3 fingers on the screen in order to then select the area that we want to capture. There is also the launch camera option, so we have 2 shortcuts that we can use. There is also a shortcut for the flashlight, where we can double press the power button to activate or deactivate the flashlight. And then we have the power off option, where you can decide how you want to open the power menu. And there is also the double back tap and triple back tap gesture, which you can set up in here. You can decide what should happen when you double tap or triple tap the back of the phone. And usually you have to tap somewhere over here in the middle of the phone. If you do so, then you should be able to perform the selected action. There we go. And that is essentially it on the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. These are the gestures that we can perform. Subscribe to my channel.